The rear end tacked in. About to test fit the box on here. Got the Mustang wheels on. Got the drag slicks right here. I put them on after just to make sure there's enough clearance. We got Eddie. All right, box is on. This is current ride height setup. That could change when I mount my coilovers on there, but not too bad. Test fit some 17-inch drag wheels. Okay, quick truck update. About to swap out these control arms, the stock coil springs and shocks, and stock brake rotors, calipers, everything there. Got all the new stuff over here. So I've got React 2-inch drop spindles from AZ Pro Performance. Comes with their spindle kit, their brake kit, and then I opted for the 13-inch rotors, 2-piece. Got my QA1 coilover setup over here, and then I figured it would be a shame to put all that on the stock control arms, old bushings and everything, old ball joints, so I went with the CPP tubular kit. Pretty nice stuff. So, about to dig into that. Truck runs now. Got a little bit of plumbing to do for the intercooler, exhaust. Finished filling it up with coolant and was just letting it burp out a little bit. Rear end, I've got the S550 rear end in here now. I've got my coilovers mocked up. I ordered some custom brackets that I designed from Send Cut Send that will mount these tubular pieces that bolt the coilover in, so it'll sit kind of off like that. And then the brackets go from the tubes to the chassis. And then we'll be able to put it on its own weight. I've got my drive shaft yoke swapped over to a 1350 style. So I got to order a drive shaft. I have that measurement ready. Just have to wait till Monday to order that. And then I've got my converter from Circle D as well, ready to go in the truck also. So everything's coming together. Just kind of chipping away at the big items. Get that drive shaft ordered, get that converter put in, and this thing should be moving under its own weight. Got to run 2 little brake lines to these guys. I'm going to reuse the existing e-brake cables from the Mustang and kind of retrofit something into the truck. And then I'll have to plumb these brake lines as well. They come with new stainless lines and everything. It's really nice, so we'll do all that. Truck should move under its own power, stop, full disc brakes, full coilovers, hoping that it handles really well and also has a nice stance to it that will be adjustable. So, win-win.